how to refund items on Roblox. So first, go to your account and then make sure you're logged in. And then you can just click on your profile here at the top. Okay. Now once you're here, scroll down, look for help. This one, click on this. Okay, once you're here, search for contact us. Alright. Once you're here, click on this contact us option here and then click on support form. Alright. Now you're going to be transferred here. So what you need to do is just fill in all of the details here. Alright. And then here, you just need to choose your device type that you're using for your Roblox. And for example, I'm using PC right now. Then here, type in, choose the help that you need. So let's scroll down, look for purchases using Roblox since we're going to need a refund. And then here, make sure here, describe your issue, right? So tell them that you need a refund. Tell them what item you need to refund. And then tell them why you need a refund on that item. All right. So once you're done typing in all of that here, you just need to click on continue and you're done. All right. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.